I want to quickly talk to you about how to get a PayPal business account this year. So here are the facts I want you to really pay attention to. When you think about PayPal for a business, you are speaking about a conduit that's really powerful. It doesn't matter whether you have a small business or you have a mid-sized enterprise. Having a PayPal business account, it can be really beneficial, okay? And so PayPal actually offers two types of accounts, personal and business. So while both provide the basic functionality of making and receiving payments, what happens here is that they each serve different needs and come with their own sets of features and benefits, okay? So let me quickly talk to you about personal accounts. So a personal account is actually designed for individuals like you and me who primarily need to make purchases online, send money to friends and family, make shared payments, for example, splitting a dinner bill or receiving personal payments. So for casual sellers who are looking to receive online payments and also conduct online purchases, PayPal suggests opting for a personal PayPal account instead of a business one. So if your online selling activities are infrequent, like listing items on platforms such as eBay or Etsy or Facebook Marketplace, a personal PayPal account is actually a good choice for you. Okay. What about a business account? Let's talk about that. So when you think about PayPal business account, this type of account is designed for merchants or business owners who need to accept payments online for, say, goods or services. It's actually suitable for both small businesses and larger enterprises. And PayPal business accounts allows multiple users to access the account up to 200 employees, provides customized invoicing, and offers business-related tools, resources, and products. So that's really good. And also with a PayPal business account, your business can offer its customers an array of payment methods by processing all major credit cards and debit cards. Interestingly, customers actually don't even need to have a PayPal account to pay, actually. And moreover, your business can use PayPal's financial services and apply for loans, credit cards, and also debit cards, okay? So the integration of an online store with a PayPal business account is straightforward, and businesses can also link to other important tools such as accounting, inventory management, and marketing automation software. So with PayPal, it's very easy to ensure smooth operations, both pre and post sales by, let's say, tracking sales, understanding customer behavior, managing risks, simplifying shipping, and more. So that's really fantastic. So the big question is, does PayPal charge you for setting up a business account? In short, creating a PayPal business account is kind of free, really. However, PayPal charges fees for certain transactions, such as, let's say, receiving payments from customers or withdrawing funds to a bank account and more. So the fees actually vary depending on the country, currency, and payment method used, among other factors. So it's important to really review the PayPal fee structure before actually using a PayPal business account so you can learn more about any associated costs. So let me give you the steps here. So what are the steps you need to, so about that, what are the steps you need to really follow this year when it comes to creating a PayPal business account? So first of all, you want to visit the PayPal website, okay? And you want to navigate to the PayPal website in your web browser. You will find actually the sign up button at the top right of the homepage. Click on the button to start the process of creating a new account. And then you have to choose account type, okay? Pretty straightforward. You'll be prompted to select the type of account you want to create. So choose business account, then click next, okay? Pretty straightforward here as well. You also want to enter your email address. So you'll be asked to provide an email address. Make sure this is a valid, active email address because it will be used for all PayPal communications. So after entering your email address, click next. You want to create a password. So and this section is pretty powerful. Please, you want to create a strong, unique password for your PayPal business account. So making sure your account is well protected is kind of vital, especially if you are going to use it for business purposes. because it just means that you have actually a larger transactional volume. So click next after entering your password, and so then you have to enter your business information. So I'm speaking here about your legal business name, your business phone number, your business address, okay, among other things. So, but pretty straightforward. So it's just better to have all that information like on a piece of paper before you start the process, by the way. Next, you want to provide additional business details. So I'm still talking to you about how to get a PayPal business account. So when I speak about additional business details, PayPal will ask for more specific information about your business, such as your business's website, if you have one, the type of goods or services you provide, your business's estimated monthly sales. Now, of course, those are estimations because PayPal, once you start using the account, they'll have their own intel about your business anyway in terms of cash inflows and cash outflows. Okay, so next you want to enter your personal information. So you need to provide personal information such as your legal first and last name, your home address, so that PayPal can really have a profile about you, your date of birth, your social security number for U.S. users, by the way. So this information is necessary for PayPal's security checks and verifying your identity, by the way. Even though this is a business account, they'll still need to get the personal aspect of things to collect the personal data aspect of things. Next, you want to agree to the terms and conditions. So read through, you have to really read the fine prints. So read through the PayPal user agreements, privacy policy, and electronic communications delivery policy. And if you agree with those terms, you want to check the box confirming your agreement, then click agree and create account. Next, you want to set up the payment method. Okay. So finally, you can set up your payment method. You'll be prompted to link your bank account or credit card. This will enable you to make payments with your PayPal account and withdraw funds, by the way. And finally, you have to confirm your email address. So PayPal will actually send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open this email and click on the link to confirm your email address. This step verifies that you have access to the email address you provided. And congratulations, and that's it. You now have a PayPal business account. Remember, it's important to keep your account details up to date, especially if your business information changes. And you can do this through the profile section of your PayPal account. It's also important, and this is a big one, to note that PayPal requirements vary by country. So be sure to check the specific requirements for your location before creating a PayPal business account. Let me talk to you about PayPal Commerce. So when you think about how to get a PayPal business account, you cannot ignore PayPal Commerce. So PayPal Commerce is actually a new service that revolutionizes business transactions. Let me explain here. So PayPal is not just about individual transactions. It's really about transforming the entire business transaction process. So PayPal is really through PayPal Commerce, they're trying to really be big when it comes to B2B, because PayPal usually is good for C2C and B2C. And now PayPal Commerce is trying to really revolutionize the whole B2B sort of conduit. So this is where PayPal Commerce comes in when it comes to B2B. So as a comprehensive commerce platform, PayPal Commerce offers businesses a powerful tool to handle all their commercial transactions. So that's really powerful. And so the features and benefits of the PayPal Commerce platform are pretty comprehensive, pretty extensive. For example, when you go through a PayPal Commerce, you have a platform that enables businesses to accept payments in numerous ways, so online, in person, or in-app. And also, PayPal Commerce offers a flexibility in terms of currencies, allowing transactions in over 100 currencies. So that's really fantastic. So essentially, when you think about PayPal Commerce, think about a platform that was designed to support and enhance business transactions, making it a vital tool in the modern business world. So this is kind of cool. Let me really walk you through real fast about some of the benefits, the key benefits that you can really expect if you were to go through PayPal Commerce. First of all, you can accept payments. So the PayPal Commerce platform lets businesses accept payments in more than 100 currencies across numerous payment methods, including PayPal, Venmo, PayPal Credit, and major credit and debit cards. So that's really fantastic already because this flexibility actually helps businesses reach a wider customer base and increase conversions. So bottom line is your revenue goes up, okay, and that's powerful. So that's the first benefit. You also have the possibility to make payouts. So PayPal Commerce allows businesses to send money to multiple recipients simultaneously, which is really helpful for marketplaces or businesses that need to disperse payments at scale. Okay, so that's really powerful there. Let me continue with the benefits of PayPal Commerce. So you have a fraud and risk management. So PayPal Commerce platform uses machine learning and advanced fraud and risk management tools to help businesses detect fraudulent transactions, minimize chargebacks, and protect their operations. So when it comes to online credit card processing, you know that the chargeback issue is a big one, right? So if you have a platform that allows you to minimize chargebacks, you are going to love it because you are basically increasing revenue because you are solidifying the safety of transactions, not only for you but also for customers. You also have global growth as another benefits for PayPal Commerce. With its global reach, the platform helps businesses expand globally by providing localized payment options and allowing them to accept payments in different currencies. So that's really good. Also, you also have simplified compliance. So what happens here is that PayPal is really taking care of everything for you, the back office. So PayPal handles much of the compliance burden related to payment processing, including PCI compliance, and this reduces actually the complexity for businesses and allows them to focus more on their core operations. So that's really powerful. You also have extensive PayPal Commerce integration. So the platform can be actually integrated with a wide range of e-commerce platforms and shopping carts, providing all kinds of businesses with the flexibility to choose the solutions that best fit their needs. So that's really powerful also. So when you think about commerce platform, think about actually a platform that offers a robust set of tools and services that help businesses simplify and streamline their online transactions, protect against fraud, and grow their operations both locally and internationally. Let me give you a few extras here. So basically, if you have a PayPal business account, you definitely want to really think about PayPal's resource center. Okay, this has a lot of possibilities because alongside its transaction focused services, PayPal also offers a comprehensive resource center, and so this center provides businesses with a wealth of information and tools to optimize their use of the PayPal business account and commerce platform. So the PayPal Resource Center is actually designed to support businesses in navigating the digital commerce landscape. So if you are, and it doesn't matter if you have, even if you have an offline business, you still can really learn a lot through this resource center. So whether it's learning about new features, understanding transaction processes, or finding solutions to common problems, the resource center is a valuable tool that really offers educational content, tools and best practices, updates and news, industry insights, customer support, webinars, and events. So that's really cool. And by the way, freelancers can also use a PayPal business account to receive payments from clients. So in fact, PayPal is really a popular payment method among freelancers because it's fast, secure, and widely accepted. Okay. So once you have set up a PayPal business account, you can share your payment link with clients and or even send them invoices directly through PayPal to get paid. your clients can then pay you using their own PayPal account and or a credit or debit card. So that's really powerful. And so you also have the possibility to really integrate your accounting tools within PayPal. So you can really integrate, for instance, Wave or Zero or QuickBooks. Okay, so as an accountant working with if you have an accountant that works with your account, I mean your PayPal, your PayPal business profile, you're able to integrate things a lot faster and see your revenue as well as expenses real fast. So that's really good because it allows things to go faster during tax season. Okay, so that's really powerful. So you are also able to export your PayPal data, your PayPal business data in CSV or PDF, by the way. So that's also powerful. So the bottom line is that once you get a PayPal business account, remember that it's all about automating your transaction flow, right? It's all about having an automated workflow. It's all about making sure that you can synchronize your PayPal transactions to your accounting back office, but also making sure that you are adding value to your customers. So remember that PayPal Commerce is for B2B, whereas the regular PayPal business account is a B2C. So you are able to get payments from individual clients, but you have a level up. Okay, you can actually go a little up by unlocking the benefits that come with PayPal Commerce. Okay, and that's really powerful, especially if your business wants to target B2B customers also. And one thing I want to say before closing to this conversation here is that, in the evolving business world, solutions like the PayPal business account and the PayPal Commerce platform have become increasingly important, especially when it comes to serving clients right away, because those two solutions, provide businesses with the tools they need to handle online payments securely and efficiently. So, as we actually look to the future, the role of these solutions will only grow, shaping the way businesses transact and interact with their customers. So, by leveraging these tools, along with the support offered by resources like the PayPal Resource Center, your business and mine and other businesses can position themselves for success in the digital commerce landscape, especially when done when done the right way. So, as a recap into this conversation, I spoke to you about how to get a PayPal business account. I give you the facts. So, personal account versus business account. I give you the steps. I spoke to you about PayPal Commerce. I give you the extras and now the recap. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.